Hey, it's Dr. Zuckerman. In this video, we're going to talk about leaky gut. We're talking digestive dysfunction, IBS, constipation, diarrhea, gas, bloating. You eat something, oh my gosh, what the heck was that? Was it the dairy? Was it the eggs? Was it the gluten? There's food confusion. In this video, I'm going to help you break through that confusion and provide clarity for you. Before we get into it, who am I and why should you listen? My name is Dr. Adam Zuckerman. I've been in practice for over 20 years. I've helped thousands of patients get healthy from a functional standpoint. Not guesswork, not one-size-fits-all cookie-cutter approaches, not more chemical medications, really digging. Let's dig, find, and work towards fixing the underlying root cause, solving the puzzle. So we're very good at what we do. We help thousands of patients over the years. We have the blueprint, we have the framework, and people's guts are a mess. However, with leaky guts, I'm going to explain what it is in just a second. You have to understand it goes way beyond just the gut. So yes, IBS, constipation, diarrhea, gas, bloating. However, it can manifest as brain fog. It can manifest as anxiety or depression or skin problems or chronic aches and pains and inflammation, okay? So here's why. There's something called the gut-brain axis. If the gut is a mess, guess what else might be a mess as well? So people can have brain fog, mentally cloudy, you're forgetful. Where are my keys? Where's my phone? You're not as mentally sharp as you once were. We have to address the gut. So keep that in mind. Now, what is leaky gut? In your digestive tract, you want tight junctions. They should be rock solid tight. No leaky gut slang term. The scientific term is intestinal hyperpermeability. You don't need to know that. Doesn't matter. However, what happens is that these tight junctions get loose, they get permeable, they get leaky. Then bad things happen because you get bacteria, foreign particles, proteins, bugs, viruses, junk into your bloodstream that doesn't belong there. Then bad things happen. You get this massive inflammatory response, so you feel horrible, you're inflamed, but you get this massive immune reaction and your immune system's working overtime to put out all these fires. You've got all these foreign invaders floating around your bloodstream and your immune system's like, ding, 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 what is this stuff? There are over 50 million Americans that have autoimmune conditions. Over 50 million. That's 1 in 6 people. Autoimmune, lupus, rheumatoid, celiac, Crohn's, Hashimoto's, I could go on and on. There's over 140 varieties or labels of autoimmune conditions. It's an epidemic that few doctors are talking about. I wish they would, but it's because I believe it starts in your gut. Most of your immune system is in your gut, and most disease and dysfunction starts in your gut. So if we have these symptoms, not only gut issues, but we have brain fog, we're mentally cloudy, we have anxiety and depression, maybe you have a child with ADHD, we have to look at the gut, we have to tighten these junctions up so that we don't have this massive inflammatory response, we don't have this massive immune system reaction. So if you're checking off all the boxes that I just spoke about, hopefully you're not, but if you're checking off the boxes and you want some help, what I want to do is offer you a one-on-one discovery call. This is not a pushy sales call. It's not a high-pressure timeshare sales. Nothing like that. It's simply a chance to ask each other questions. We're going to ask you questions. You could ask us questions. And then together, we could determine if what we do makes sense for you. I like to use an analogy. If I have a roadmap or don't have a map, and I'm trying to go from California to New York, I don't have a map, how successful would I be? I'd be lost, right? I'd be frustrated, I'd be confused, but if I had a straight line path, do this, do this, do this, straight line blueprint, a framework, a roadmap, that's what we have when it comes to leaky gut and a lot of these other manifestations, skin problems, anxiety, depression, brain fog, gut issues. So if you're struggling and you want some help, click the link below. Somewhere around this video, there's gonna be a button. Click on that link, fill out your information, grab a time slot. Simply a chance to ask each other questions to determine if what we have makes sense for you. So pick the time, we'll call you then. Thanks for watching.